Hello friends, welcome to our channel. Before we start the video, make sure to subscribe and give this video a like. Is your phone lagging or running slow? Turn off these 3 settings right now. Step 1. Animation Scale. First, go to Settings, About Phone, and tap Build Number 7 times to unlock Developer Options. Now go to Developer Options and find these 3 settings: Window Animation Scale, Transition Animation Scale, and Animator Duration Scale. Turn all 3 off, your phone will instantly feel faster. Step 2. Auto Sync. Next, go to Settings Accounts and turn off Auto Sync. This will stop unnecessary background processes and save battery. Step 3. Background Apps Limit. Finally, in Developer Options, find Background Process Limit and set it to at most 2 processes. This frees up RAM and makes your phone run smoother. That's it. Your phone should now work like brand new. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more smart tricks. Only on Kaisei Karain Pro.